Welcome to Ngo Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button right now and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngo Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Orlando Pirates 2. Mamelodi Sundowns 1. No brother, how's it?
Sharp. Swiso walipakania lo hlala eDelmas eMpumalanga. Igame lemnandi namhlanje.
Yeah.
So isizile la is not ukuthi sothatha league. Ileague sehambile but into ebesifuna ukuyilungisa ile skole sa last. To prove a point ukuthi sina simabhakania asilala endleleni. So we have a win today, but we're not saying ukuthi i-league so ithatha. No, we are not taking a lead for the game of today. We are replacing the game of last. So into engibonga ngegame yanamhlanje, everything was occupied, everything in game was perfect. It was 50-50 this side, was 50-50 that side. But the game last Slimazo coach. Our substitute Slimazile, but konke sifunda ngamaphutha. But interest lesela namhlanje it's just for i-win, not ukuthi i-win yokuthi sothatha i-league. I-league angeke sayithole, seyihambile. Thina sibhekile manje i-Nedbank. Yeah, nakanjani. Phela. Sawubona.
Okay, no, siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.